Hey everyone, Rod Egan here with Worldwide Auctioneers, inviting you to come and join us April 26th and 7th for the Enthusiast Auction right here in Auburn, Indiana in our great auction facility. We're going to have a lot of great cars, tons of fun, Enthusiast Auction, and for Jaguar enthusiasts, we have two great cars that you'll have the pleasure of looking at, hopefully buying, driving, enjoying, and taking them home and having fun. On my right, the 55 XK 140 Roadster. Great car, love the color combination, red, biscuit hides, beautiful car, wire wheels, runs and drives great, phenomenal car. And for those of you that perhaps maybe want something a little bit different, or maybe something a little bit different for the inclement weather, I love the 150 series. They're a little bit bigger, so a guy like me, I'm 6'3". The 150 series cars are fantastic. Had the pleasure of driving one, several on some great tours. This is a really good example. About $100,000 was spent restoring it, getting it to look the way it does today. You see a lot of the great designs of the 120, the 140. It's timeless. It's one of the most elegant and beautiful cars ever built. If you want something that's just a little bit different than that, I love the fixed head coupes. So later, the 150, 1958, this example is also a great example. So if you are a Jag aficionado, XKs, the 120s, 140s, and certainly the 150s, come and see us. We've got some great cars. We'd love to see you. Come and join us for Enthusiast Auction Week, Auburn, Indiana, April 26th, 27th. See you there.